Homely dude here. Well, I went on to the Jungle website, Amazon, and bought Kim and I a kayak, but it's an inflatable one. Decided I would do something a little bit simpler, and it's not an expensive one, but it's a 10-foot by 3-inch by 3 feet. You can see that right there. So I thought I'd just unpackage it, take a look at it, see if it's actually as good as the reviews say it is, and figured we'd give it a try. I mean, we're just wanting to try something new, and instead of going out and buying 2 plastic kayaks or 1 big old plastic kayak, we thought, let's do an inflatable. Then we can throw it in the car and we can go wherever we want to go. So let's unpackage it. Okay, here we go. Comes with a bag. Just gotta wonder if we can get it back into the bag when we're ready to put it away. Hey, let me know in the comments what you think. Like, has anybody else ever bought a inflatable kayak before? It comes with, here's everything that it includes. It comes with paddles that break down. It has a high output pump, so it pumps up pretty quick. The bag, obviously. Grab lines on it. I mean, I'm looking at it. It's pretty constructed pretty well. I mean, look at these people. Like, look at them. They're just out there having a grand old time, you know, and out in some beautiful lakes. I mean, over here looks like the mountains. Whatever. It has a removable skeg, so that way if you're on a lake like this, that's what this is primarily made for, is for still water. You don't really want to take this thing down some major rapids, but you can take it off so that way it doesn't get damaged if you are going down some shallow water. But it has removable adjustable seats, so I figure it should be good for 1 or 2 people. It doesn't say that down here anywhere, but it does say it's heavy duty, puncture resistant, because it's vinyl, not just a rubber. It has 3 separate chambers. It also includes a safety auxiliary chamber. But yeah, so it even has some patches to repair it if you end up having a leak somewhere on the body of it. But all right, well, let's unpackage it. What I would like to do is actually open this up, look at all the stuff that's in here, and then actually inflate it. So far, we've got the paddles. Go ahead and just open these things up. See what they look like. Like paddles. Plastic. Seem pretty durable. I mean, durable as durable can be. There we go. Got it assembled. And then you would put this washer on the end of it to be able to put this little piece here on the end of it, because then the water, when it runs off the paddle from in the water, it doesn't get on there. Maybe you can have it a lot closer if you want, but that's basically it. That's how it works. Okay. Well, there's no sense in installing or assembling 2 of these. All you need to see was 1. So we'll just set that aside. Let's go ahead and get this open. And inflate it. See how it works. I got this Total Gym over here. I'm going to get it out of the way. Okay. Here we go. That's the length of it. Holy cow. All the nozzles are down at that end. Oh, there's one right here. I don't want to unfold it, I think. Pump has all kinds of different nozzles. Kind of the same way as a air mattress. So I actually have somewhere I'll have to go see if I can find it. But oh, there it is. I do have an electric. Oh. Yeah, here we go. So I should be able to, because it's kind of the same concept, I should be able to put this on here. Oh, no. Here? Oh, so it doesn't fit. Well, that stinks. Maybe I can put it on there directly? It's the same size. Nope, the nozzles are different. So I can't use the electric pump. I literally have to use their pump because this doesn't fit on there unless I like force it on there. It's kind of a cheap plastic. I don't wanna. We'll just do it manually. That's what it is. So this goes on here. Like that. And we got a chamber here. Put this down so you guys can see. So you got two chambers here. You got these two here, which I believe blow up the sides, and then there's a couple of these here that blow up as well. Let's do the main parts first, and let's see what goes off the B. Might speed this up just because it may take a little while. Just go down inside there. See how it works. Man, that's fast. Look at that. Already there. Boom. That's pretty solid. Don't want to overinflate it. That's pretty good. Let's do it again. I'm pretty impressed so far. Nice. Okay. So there's that part. Knock that one off. And we got this section down here. Let's blow that one up. Pretty good. All right. I think that's where it's supposed to be at right there, I think. It's not hard to pump, so I'm going to say that's it. All right. There we go. And then we got these ends. So that's it. I might kind of show you what it looks like underneath, which is the underside. So there's where the fin goes on. Whatever you want to call it. I forgot what it's called now. Oh no, I don't have the TV over. Not sure why that's there and not up here. There we go. But it's not, all of it is all vinyl. It's not just a rubber. It's a lot more durable. But let me get the seats. There's one of them. I'll blow them up by mouth. There we go. All right. So it looks like. So this must be the bottom. So we can put. There you go. So I'm wondering if if you want to make this a one-seater, you couldn't just put it here. And extend these all the way out. Just it. Take the shoes off. And I'm going to get inside this thing. There we go. So Don't laugh. Just want to try this. Okay. See it like that. All right. Lean back. Tighten it up. So, when I lean back, but at least gives you a backing a little bit. Pull it up a little bit. There you go. So, yeah, that's a little better. How about that? Here we go. Wow. Now I can't wait to get it out. Yeah. Pretty nifty if you ask me. And probably sit back farther if I was taking this by myself. I don't know if I'd want to sit this close. Anyways, there we go. I think I'm going to leave it up for now. That way you can sit there and let's see if it holds air overnight. But what do you think? I'm pretty impressed. Kind of lightheaded. I got online. I do not have to register it because it is a watercraft. Even though it is inflated, you still have to pay like $25 to get it registered. And they give you like a little sticker or something like that that I guess probably can go on the inside or something. You just have to have proof that it's registered. But beyond that, this is it. This is all it is. You saw me put it together. It doesn't take all that long to do it. But this is just something that Kim and I did that kayak trip down there this time last year at the James River in Virginia, and we had a good time. And so we thought, here's an inexpensive way to be able to get out, enjoy God's creation, and be able to do something together. So, tell me what you think. When we get out there, we'll get another video of us the first time we get this put out there. I'm pretty sure we'll probably take it out to Dillon Lake. It's just a reservoir here in town, and that's probably the easiest place to get in and get out. There's some boat ramps, and just be able to get out there and try this before we go putting it in a river or anything else. So that'll be probably one of the next videos. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Click and subscribe if you haven't already. Also like the video so I know that you enjoyed this content, and hit the bell icon so you're notified of new videos when I upload them. We'll see you on the next one.